how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. So if you want to put two videos in one screen on CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to just go with your edit section, which is on the bottom left, and then go with a new project. Select the project, go with add, which is on the bottom right, and now you can select your video, and then you need to go and adjust it, go with crop, and then crop your video. So in my case, I'll crop it like this, go with the tick, and once you have this, you can go and resize it right here. After that, again, go with the add, which is on the right side. You will have a plus icon, tap on plus, again, add another video. Once you've added the other one, again, select the other video that you've added and go with crop again. And from crop, now again, crop the video, adjust it, go with the tick, which is on the top right, and adjust it like this. Now, you need to drag the second one to the bottom. Select your video and then swipe and tap on overlay. Now, once it's on the bottom, you need to select it and then drag it to the left. And that's it. As you can see, that you have put two videos in one screen on CapCut. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.